Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Mikey Bustos bringing you another video. This video is about mosquitoes. Don't we just love mosquitoes? Yeah, right. Everybody loves being bit by mosquitoes. Um, it's summer now here in Toronto, and mosquitoes are out. Now, part of being able to battle mosquitoes is having the knowledge to know about them. So basically mosquitoes belong to the fly family known as Diptera. Yes, so all those flies you see flying around, mosquitoes are in the same family. Um, Now, the mosquitoes that go around and bite you, those are two things. The biting mosquitoes are female and they're pregnant. Now, why do they need to bite you for your blood? Well, it's because they need nourishment from your blood, to nourish their eggs. Male mosquitoes don't bite, you know, but it's the female mosquitoes that do suck blood, and they have the long proboscis, the little needle that goes in you. Now, what happens when it bites you? So it lands on you, and it bites you, and what it does, it sticks its proboscis into your skin, and it releases a saliva which has an anticoagulant in it. And that keeps your blood from clotting, so it keeps your blood freely moving, so that it can withdraw your blood and feast. um, Now that it's the saliva that causes the reaction, makes people itch, whatever. And actually scratching it makes it worse, and it causes it to be inflamed, etc. So if you get bit, try your best not to scratch your mosquito bite. And another thing you probably might not know is that mosquitoes find you by way of your carbon dioxide that you're exhaling. That's how they find, warm-blooded mammals and animals. They follow carbon dioxide. Um, Now, what are some effective ways to avoid mosquito bites? Well, one effective way, of course, is to order off, products with DEET in it. And then, of course, you spray that on you and they don't come near you. Um, Another way is to burn citronella candles, and those mosquito coils. Those work as well. Of course, if you live in the Philippines, you know about the mosquito net. If you're outside and you're underneath a mosquito net, you're relatively safe. Um, and so you could use that. And they recently came out with this new product that it's a little thing you attach to your belt. And what it does is it releases a pheromone in the air which smells like a male mosquito. And apparently these pregnant female mosquitoes are repelled by the male pheromone. They don't need to mate, and so they stay away from any male mosquito. And if you're wearing that, they feel like a male mosquito is around, and in effect the females don't come around and they don't bite you. I don't know how effective that is, but it is a new product, so be sure to look out for that. I believe they also sell it online. Um, and what are some ways to avoid mosquito populations in your area? Well, something you guys might also not know is that mosquitoes grow in still water. They lay their eggs, the females lay their eggs on the surface of the water, and they hatch into little like larvae that they look like tiny tadpoles that go in the water, and they have these little tails, and they have a little siphon at the end of their tails that they use to breathe in the air. Right at the surface, and they swim around, so avoid all still pools of water, because that is basically, an open invitation for female mosquitoes. Mosquitoes have been, of course, the cause of several viruses, well-known dangerous viruses like West Nile virus and malaria. You know, and as much as possible, be sure to get your booster shots, you know, to avoid that kind of thing. Why do we need mosquitoes? Well, believe it or not, mosquitoes do have a place in the ecosystem, of course. They are food prey for a whole variety of animals. Um, you know, from, you know, bats to other insects to arachnids, of course to amphibians, um, to a lot of aquatic predators. You know, they eat the larvae of the mosquitoes. So generally, we do need them around. And they are, of course, just as important as everyone else in the food chain and in the circle of life. So now you know, and this is your crash course on the mosquito. Um, you know, I try not to kill mosquitoes, but when they come around me, I do this. And then I feed them to my ants. Guess that's it. Thanks, guys, and hope you found this video useful. Love ya. Bye.